Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tomato soup very easy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Don't forget 4 cups of vegetable broth, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and your basic salt and pepper. A pinch of sugar really balances the flavors, and fresh basil adds a wonderful aroma. This recipe is designed for maximum flavor with minimal fuss. Now let's get cooking. Start by roughly chopping your 2 pounds of tomatoes, the onion, and the 2 garlic cloves. No need for perfection here, as it will all be blended later. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until it becomes soft and translucent. Then, stir in the minced garlic for just about 1 minute until it smells amazing. Once your aromatics are ready, add the chopped tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth to the pot. Bring everything to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld beautifully. Now, season with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and a small pinch of sugar. Finally, carefully blend the soup until it's wonderfully smooth, using an immersion blender directly in the pot or transferring it to a regular blender. Your easy tomato soup is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust any seasonings like salt or pepper to your preference. For an extra luxurious touch, stir in about 1/4 cup of heavy cream to make it wonderfully creamy. Ladle your warm soup into bowls. Garnish with some fresh basil leaves, a tiny drizzle of good olive oil, or even some crunchy croutons. Serve it alongside some crusty bread or a classic grilled cheese sandwich for a truly comforting meal. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.